Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Unboxing a Brand. This is Shirley. We are unboxing something called FabFitFun Style. You might have heard of FabFitFun before, which is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box. I have an unboxing video of that and I'll link it here if you're curious to find out what it is. But the FabFitFun Style Box is basically an online personalized styling service. They pick out a few items for you depending on your style profile. So I first filled out the style quiz. They ask you about your lifestyle and what kind of clothing items or accessory items that you're currently looking for. To use the FabFitFun Style Box or your stylist, there is a $20 styling fee, but anything that you purchase from your box, that $20 will go towards anything that you decide to keep in your box. Whatever you don't keep or whatever you don't like, you can send it back to them. If you do decide to keep everything that's in your box, you get 25% off of the prices of the products. But if you didn't like anything, you want to send the whole box back, the $20 is non-refundable. So I just got my box today, and compared to some of the other styling service boxes, you only get 3 days to try everything on, versus I believe for Trunk Club it was either 5 days or 7 days, but 3 days is like a really short amount of time. That's why I wanted to make sure that I filmed this right away so that I have some time to decide which items I want to keep and which I don't. Also, when you sign up for this service, you don't get like a spoiler. They don't send you images or links of what they're planning on sending you. You basically just get it in the box and you decide right then and there whether or not you want to keep it. Their box is actually extremely cute. Like, look at the pastel patterns and color blocking that's going on here. Like, this is really adorable. I hope I don't have to send this box back because I want to keep it. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. I wonder what I got. I'm really curious. I guess it's kind of fun when it's a surprise. Ooh, on the inside, it's like a monotone blue things on the inside. When you open it up, it looks like everything is nicely wrapped in tissue paper, and you get a little note. You're gonna look gorgeous. All right, so here's what happens next. Oh, look at this cute paper clip. $20 towards the price of any items that you love. You can return the rest, drop off the prepaid envelope at any FedEx location, and then bag your bonus. So if you keep everything, you get 25% off. It doesn't say that you only get 3 days to try it on. It said it in the email that they sent me. Oh, okay, I don't really want to look at that because it's spoiling it. Oh, and this is a note from my stylist. Okay, let's see what I got. Like, it's so, look at that. It's like so neatly folded. It's almost like a sushi roll. And then this is the FedEx envelope, so I can keep this box if I wanted, because this looks like a really big envelope here that you can just put whatever you don't want in here and send everything back. There's a FabFitFun Style sticker on the front. Okay, let's dig in. So the first item that I got is by Daisy, and it looks like it's just a black tee, almost like a crop tee, and it's made with this like spandex and viscose fabric, so it's really stretchy and airy and light. I'll have to try that out. The next item that I got is a miracle sweater. Okay. Oh, look at the details on the bottom. I don't know if I like that. Don't know if this is gonna last very long. I'm always afraid of wearing things like this because it's knitted and it can easily get snagged on something and starts to pull. So also this looks really wide and really short, but let's try it on and see what that looks like. The next item that I got, why is everything so like fall? Like this one is really thick. This is like a long sleeve sweater kind of like thing. I don't know how to explain it. It's not a sweater. Are there pockets here? Oh, is that a pocket? No, that's not a pocket. All right, so it's got this like string tie thing on the bottom and like almost like balloon sleeves here. Okay. We'll try it on, but I don't know. All right, and then I also got a pair of jeans. So this is a high-rise Mia Skinny, and it's by Cut from the Cloth. I definitely already have some jeans that are in this wash, but I'll just try it on and see how they fit. So I got 3 tops, a pair of jeans, and it looks like I have, whoa. It's a cool box. Look at that. Kind of cool, but unnecessary. So this plastic film here is like almost like saran wrap, and this looks like this frame is also made of plastic. All right, so this is the 18 karat gold plated layered disc necklace. Oh, I see. Okay, so it looks like that. All right, so we'll have to try this on. Let's take a look at the prices here. So this necklace is $42. Pair of jeans is $89. This Summer and Rose Blair Hachi top, this is $48. This sweater thing, Bailey Knit Destructed V-neck sweater, is also $48. And then this black top, oh, it has a twist on the front? Oh, I didn't even see that. Yeah, there's like a twist detail on the bottom. This is $38. Okay, I mean, the prices are affordable. I just don't know about the quality. Like, this one feels really cheap. Okay, so with everything added up, it's $265. If I want to get everything, I get a 25% off discount, and minus the styling fee credit, I'll only pay $178 and $75 if I decide to keep the whole box. I can tell you straight off the bat that I'm probably not going to be keeping everything just because I'm not too crazy about it. But yeah, this is my bill here. Okay, so I'm just going to try these on and see what I think of them. The necklace was just okay. I do like layered necklaces, but didn't really think this one was that special, so I decided to send this one back. The t-shirt was nothing spectacular. It kind of looked and feel like something that can be found at H&M. I almost kept this one because I didn't want to lose the $20 styling fee, but decided against it because of the jeans, and you'll see why later. I'll explain a little more. The sweater was also a no for me. It was a bit too deconstructed for my taste, and going into summer, I didn't really want to think about buying any more sweaters. This gray top would be nice to have for lounging around the house, but I really didn't need any more lounge clothes and didn't want to spend $48 just for that. The jeans fit quite nicely, and I was planning on keeping it. However, after some digging online about this brand, I saw that the same jeans were actually being sold at TJ Maxx for $20. FabFitFun was trying to ask for $89, so I got a little bit pissed off and decided to return everything. Alright guys, so that was unboxing FabFitFun Style. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This channel is all about unboxings, and I have a lot of unboxings coming up and a lot of unboxings already available, so make sure to check out some of my other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!